Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how step by step you can apply for an e-visa to Turkey, or in other terms Türkiye, right, with this change in name. Anyway, before I proceed further, I would like to confirm that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Okay. So basically it's very easy and the process is online, and this is for tourist and business visa. For other purposes you need to contact the relevant embassies and apply from there, and this process online, and this cost you $60, 60 US dollars. So they have clearly mentioned the process. First is like, go ahead and apply. Okay, put your information. Then what happens, they send you an email, the confirmation mail, that you have to acknowledge within, I mean you need to complete that confirmation within an hour, and the application you create in this system remains for 48 hours. If it's not, then you gotta reapply. And then and so first you fill the information, you get the confirmation mail, you go through it, you make the payment, and then your visa is available. Of course, when you travel to the country, you need to satisfy the immigration officers. Like if you're going for tourism, they may ask you to show the proof of your return ticket, and your proof of funds, like you need to have funds, and hotel stay reservation, other things. Those things vary case by case. Like if you are going to be hosted by your friend or a relative, then that hotel reservation is definitely not applicable to you. So that is how it works. So we'll go through it. So in front of you, I have opened the official eVisa site. Just tap on apply now. Okay, so the page is opening. So this is the first step, where you are going to select country, region of your travel document. So for example, if you are traveling on your ordinary passport, select the country from where it has been issued. For example, this is the security validation. So oh, I think I entered wrong. Oh, I entered correct. Perfect. So you can select the date, arrival date. So if I select this one, it's gonna do the calculation. Okay, save and continue. Okay, now here comes personal information, like first name, last name, date of birth, place of birth, your parents' name, passport number, email address, phone number. And then if you want to add a new person, you can always click on add a new person, and then when you submit it, you get the email, and there you get the payment, and then you get the visa. That's how simple process of this e-visa is. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you line comment, and if you have any concern, any question, any concern, anything that you want to raise, please write as a comment. Thanks for watching this video.